this is Alice. I'm one of the partners here at Luca Piattelli Salon, Dubai. We are doing hair replacement systems, and honestly, we didn't know where to start when we first got here. Marco and Swissley was recommended to us from a dear friend. He was truly kind, and he also explained to us the entire job and that they would take care of everything without us having to intervene, and that was our first priority, just knowing that there was somebody in charge here that could just take care of all the work, electric, plumbing, fixing, painting and whatever, and giving us the space ready to start and to open our salon. And one thing that really struck with us was the fact that the crew was really attentive to details. Since it was our first opening, we really didn't know what was best to invest on, and they actually suggested a right fit for us. In the end, I can say that we really recommend the company and we really recommend the service. They were great and they exceeded our expectations.